Alrighty, I found some very beginner-friendly work-from-home healthcare jobs. One of them you'll do a whole bunch of data entry, and at least one of these jobs will train you. So let's just jump right into these little gems. So the first one I have is with Isaac Health. This is for a care navigator. They're hiring remotely anywhere within the United States, and they tell us right here on this job description they're going to pay you between $40,000 and $45,000 per year. So they're looking for someone who has prior experience coordinating and navigating care for patients, caregivers, and their loved ones. You get bonus points if you speak Spanish and you've worked with a patient population who experience cognitive challenges. This role requires genuine empathy, patience, exceptional time management, and communication skills. And what you're going to do on a regular basis is answer inbound calls, emails, and text messages from patients, caregivers, families, external providers, and other facilities, and schedule and maintain contact with patients via phone or email. You'll explain health insurance benefits and eligibility to patients, process co-pays and co-insurance as needed, and under clinical supervision, ask screening questions and document patient safety, behavior, function, medications, care needs, and advanced care plans. Also under clinical supervision, you'll ask screening questions and document caregiver issues such as burden, depression, and poor coping, and report screening to the clinical team. You'll send educational materials and information to patients, follow up after all appointments to provide next steps and coordinate care as documented by the provider, request external medical records, labs, and imaging results, document patient care and instructions in the EHR system, coordinate patient care with external clinics, providers, and facilities, and escalate patient concerns to the clinical team to maintain an appropriate scope of practice for this role. And you'll do all that while maintaining participants' privacy according to HIPAA regulations. So that's it for this job. If this one sounds like an interesting opportunity for you, check it out. You can find the application details in the description area. This is job number 1. Our next entry-level healthcare job is with the company R1, sometimes known as R1 RCM. Right now they have an opening for a follow-up associate to work remotely anywhere within the United States. And I'm going to scroll down this job description because they tell us how much they're going to pay, which is between $15 and $20.28 per hour. And all they want from you is they prefer you have a high school diploma or equivalent. So you don't need any related work experience in this job, and you don't even need a high school diploma. So you'll help collecting and posting payments for patient accounts. Every day you'll identify, resolve, and analyze all outstanding issues preventing claim resolution. And they tell us to thrive in this role, you must be detail-oriented and have a good understanding of customer service. So you'll investigate and resolve claim denials with the aim of reducing future denials by identifying, analyzing, and resolving outstanding issues preventing claim resolution. Collaborate with insurance companies to understand denial reasons through corrected claim submissions, denial disputes, and appeal submission. You'll also recommend accounts for write-off to appropriate categories if the provider fails to meet payer guidelines such as timely charge capture, and you'll do all that while maintaining key performance indicators. So you don't need any related work experience, nor do you need a high school diploma for this job. If you like this one, you can find the application details in the description area. This is job number 2. So that brings us to our third and final entry-level healthcare job. This one comes to us from DataVan, and this is for an embedded ROI processor. This is a full-time remote position anywhere within the United States. And scrolling around this job description, they tell us down here they're going to pay you between $15 and $18.32 per hour. So you'll be working Monday through Thursday from 6 a.m. to 5 p.m., 4 days a week, 10 hours a day with an hour lunch, I assume. And they will train you. They tell us they want you to be able to actively participate in all training that is assigned to you by your supervisor. So basically, you'll be doing a whole bunch of data entry and processing electronic medical records through various EMR systems. You're expected to work with minimal supervision and report any technical difficulties you may experience as soon as they occur. They want you to maintain high standards of confidentiality to safeguard and protect patients' rights and comply with all company and facility policies and HIPAA regulations. You should be able to read all documentation and follow written instructions provided to ensure compliance and accurate job completion. Report any security breaches, unsafe behavior witnessed, or any site difficulties. Support a service environment that focuses on quality processes. Ensure that deadlines are met and respond to emails and other requests for information timely, and adhere to company policies. And all they want from you is a high school diploma or equivalent. They'd like you to have 6 months data entry experience, and EMR experience is a plus, and that's just a plus, that's not required. They prefer but don't require. They prefer you have experience in a healthcare environment or release of information setting. You're able to address problems constructively to find acceptable solutions. You're accurate, you have attention to detail, you're comfortable using computers, you're organized and detail-oriented. So all they want is just a tiny bit of data entry experience for this job. If you like this one, you can find the application details in the description area. Job number 3. Well, there you go. 3 very beginner-friendly entry-level healthcare jobs, and at least one of them will train you. Hopefully one of these jobs works out for you. And if you're looking for more beginner-friendly work-from-home jobs, check out this video right here. And don't forget, come back to this channel frequently. I post work-from-home job leads almost every day of the week. Your job is out there. All we have to do is find it. Thank you so much for visiting, and I'll meet you on the next job lead.